Welcome and welcome back to my small space gardening oasis where I am growing in extreme heat and limited water. So today we'll be harvesting a little. My name is Stacy. Thank you so much to my new gardening family for coming on board. Big up to all my faithful supporters. I sincerely appreciate you all.
Come garden with me now, man.
So firstly, I'm going to get this lovely callaloo right here. Looks good. So I'm always cutting the branch, guys, so that I can keep coming back. I always leave the main stem, and so I take from the branches. So like this one over here, main stem, and the branches are there. All right, let me just get this one. And this one. This amount of callaloo or amaranth will do because I'll be mixing them with cabbage and pak choy leaves. So I'm going to get some cabbage leaves right here to mix with my callaloo or amaranth. And I'm taking them from the bottom. Now, not all your cabbage leaves will be able to be eaten because if you wait too long, they will get bitter. Get this one over here. They are so messy. Of course, I'm going to wash them off properly and soak them in a bit of salt water before I prepare them, as I always do with all my vegetables, whether from my garden or not. I don't know if it's an habit or if it's a pet peeve. So I will do with this amount. So I'm basically getting some of my pak choy leaves right here. And that is what I've been doing with this pak choy right here. I've been eating the bottom leaves. So it keeps me coming back. Sounds so crunchy and delicious already. So I'll leave these. Oh, let me get this one. Alright, so I'll leave it right here and let these continue to flourish. And let me come back for more. Oh, I have this little tiny banana pepper right here. I actually like them. I like the taste. Very, 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 very mild. It has this nice tangy taste that I love, and I have been enjoying them so far. I am so delighted to see that I'll be getting more. Oh, let me get this one cucumber right here. You see how it looks, guys? It wasn't pollinated properly. So I am going to get it because I don't want it to start to get yellow. You see it has a little blush right there as though it's going to get yellow. This is a Chicago pickling. So I'm just going to get it. I have several others coming up. See, I have cucumber. I saw more. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. There are more coming up. And I am so grateful. Look at this busy bee doing its thing. Guys, every time I come in the garden, I check if there's mulberry. So let's check to see if there are any mulberries waiting here for me. Are there any? Well, this one start to change color. It is not ready. I tried one of these once, but it was very sour. I tried it before it turned purple, dark purple or black. It wasn't. It was so sour. All right, see, I have one right there. I thought I saw another one, but I'm not seeing it. These are great snacks. I thought I had a. Hold on, wait. See it here? I know I saw another one. It fell off the tree. Well, at least I found it. Let me just rest it right here until I go inside. Yes, I think that this will be it. Let me take you to the clip where I harvested a few mulberries 2 days ago as well. Add in some salt. So guys, this has been here for more than an hour. So I'm just throwing this water off and just give them a rinse from the salt water. Let me just quickly strip the cantaloupe. So everything right here is from my garden except for the garlic, the thyme, and the onion. So if you have not yet seen that harvest, I will link it in the description. But soon I can harvest everything from my garden. So I'm just going to get everything cut up and ready. So everything is cut up and ready, guys. So I did not mention the carrots because I didn't take it out as yet. So I add some carrots to the mix. And these cherry tomatoes are also from my garden as well. These three are the last of them. Let's get this cooked and ready. So I'm adding these grated garlic. So I'm adding all of the seasonings all together, including pieces of the thyme. So I am just going to leave a few pieces for further down. So I'm going in with the cabbage leaves first because they're a little harder. They're not as tender as the pak choy and the callaloo or the amaranth. So I'm just going to let these steam for a little. I have some dumplings here getting ready to have with my veggies. So this is just about a minute. So now I'm just going to go in with the callaloo and the pak choy. Guys, my phone is eating up very quickly and shutting down. So that is why I cannot show you right off the bat straight through without stopping. So I do apologize for that. So later on, I'll let it steam for about say 4 minutes, and then what I will do is add the remainder of the thyme and then add the tomatoes. This is the finished product, guys. I could not capture everything. My phone would not allow me. It just kept eating up very, very quickly and shutting down. So I wasn't able to. I do apologize for that. I did went in after 3 minutes of steaming with the tomatoes, the rest of thyme, a piece of butter, and some Maggi seasoning. So I'm about to serve it right now. So this is my plate, guys. So I'm just adding slices of the cucumber that we harvested. Guys, there is nothing better than eating from your garden, your own homegrown food. This is for you guys. Cheers to you. Alright guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Now, one of our fellow Gardening with Stacy family, she will be in Hope Zoo. That's on June 16th, Father's Day. She'll be selling some seedlings along with other vendors. And so I'm asking you kindly, her name is Miss Antoinette Clark. I'm asking you kindly if you can make it there to get some seedlings from her, then please do so. We're supporting each other. That's Sunday on Father's Day. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.